Evidence of alleged prior abuse will be allowed in the trial against a Houma woman accused of murdering her 2-year-old son.
Defense attorneys for Maya Jones wanted records from medical facilities, social services, and a domestic abuse shelter thrown out as evidence in this case. The judge decided they can be used in the murder trials against her and her former boyfriend.
Seemed like justice might prevail.
That's the feeling from the family of 2-year-old Ezekiel Harry, who police say was murdered last July at the hands of his own mother, Maya Jones, and her then live-in boyfriend, Jermaine Robinson.
It's hard looking at his mom and our live-in boyfriend sitting there with their head up high, knowing from the evidence that we heard today, they murdered 2-year-old Ezekiel Harry.
It was revealed Monday that Ezekiel is believed to have been killed inside a home provided to Jones by The Haven, an organization designed to protect victims of abuse. According to court records, the home, where Robinson was also living, became a place of abuse instead of protection.
We will sometimes say that the district attorney dropped the ball, the police department dropped the ball, or the judge dropped the ball. In this case, everybody did their part.
Part of the evidence defense attorneys wanted thrown out are statements from Jones' other young children who told authorities there was abuse in the home. According to court records, the kids were forced to use the bathroom in buckets, weren't allowed to come out of their room, and were scared Jones would find out, they told.
It's sad.
Court records also revealed Jones' 3 other kids were under the impression that Ezekiel was sleeping under a blanket in a carrier last July when they went for a picnic near the bayou. Authorities say Jones then reported Ezekiel was kidnapped, but they later determined he was already dead. His body was found inside a trash can. According to court record, there were obvious signs of abuse.
Kid life was just so precious. Every time I think about it, it hurts me because any child get killed. It's like my own child.
A year after his death, state lawmakers passed Ezekiel's Law, designed to reform how child abuse cases are handled in Louisiana. That's something the family hopes will live on in the absence of the 2-year-old it's named after.
Hopefully justice will prevail and they will get the punishment they both deserve.
Jones and Robinson are being tried separately on first-degree murder charges. They could each face the death penalty when they go to trial.